Now everyone try to see the scenario here. We are going to see the question from March 2012 exam, question 8. Everyone give the heading March 2012 exam, question 8. Okay, this is the question I am going to study. Now try to see the scenario here, very important scenario here. We have our two bodies, body A and B. See the point here. What we have our two bodies A and B are connected by a Lloyd cord over a frictionless pulley. Guys, see the scenario. Here we have our two bodies, frictionless pulley. Okay, pulley is what? And whenever there is a frictionless pulley and we have a cord, tension on both sides is the same for the same cord. Okay, as shown in figure question 8. Why figure question 8? Because in that exam it was a question 8. So that's why figure question 8. The mass A is 100 kg. Guys, see how much is the mass? Mass is how much? 100 kg. See the point. Its weight acts at geometric center. What guys? Its weight acts at its geometric center and it stands on a rough inclined plane. Okay. So here we have what guys? First of all, this is what our inclined plane. Okay. How much is the angle of inclined plane? They have given us, guys. How much is the angle of inclined plane? Okay. How much they have given? 20 degree. This angle is how much, guys? 20 degree. Please everyone. Okay. See the scenario. Okay. Then we have what, guys? A mass A. See here. Here for the mass they have given dimensions also. What they have given for mass, guys? They have given dimensions also. See the point. They have given us a dimension in the question. See, this is what our mass A. Okay. See, this dimension is how much, guys? How much they have given us? This is how much? 1.2 meter. Okay. So this one is how much, guys? See, this dimension is what? 1 point. How much, guys? 1.2 meter. Okay, everyone? Okay, good. Now try to see the scenario here. Now, here what they are saying, and this dimension is how much, guys? This dimension is how much? Okay. Okay. It is March 2012 exam question 8. I am rubbing this ready. Okay, because we need it. So this is how much? Okay. This is how much, guys? 1 meter. So this distance is what? Everyone, see the point here. So this distance is what? 1 meter. This is what? 1 meter. Okay, good. Now 1 meter. And what they are saying? Mass A is 100 kg. Its weight act at its geometric center. What they are saying? Its weight act at its geometric center. What does it mean, guys? What is meaning of geometric center? Suppose we want to take a exactly in between. See, I am going dotted line exactly in between. Here also exactly in between. So this distance will be what, guys? What will be this exactly geometric center means what? This distance will become how much? 0.5 meter. This distance will become how much, guys? 0.5 meter. And then this distance will become how much? This distance will become how much? How much? 0.6 meter. Okay, this distance will become what? 0.6 meter. Okay, everyone getting my point? Try to see the scenario. Instead of on this side, I am going to show. This is on this side. Okay, so things will become little bit simple. Everyone, try to see the point. Very important discussion. So in mechanics, we are going to take maximum time for the drawing. To draw the drawings. Okay, so this is what they have given. 1.2 meter. So exactly between. So geometric center is here. Exactly here. Okay, this distance will become how much, guys? How much that distance will become? This distance will become 0.6 meter. Okay, and this is what? A geometric center. And through the geometric center, what is acting? Through the geometric center, what is acting, guys? its weight will act at its geometric center. And what is meant by weight? mg. Mass is what for the A? This is what mass A. Weight is what, guys? So weight will be what? 100 g. And how weight will act? Weight always acts vertically downward. So this is what, guys? See, this is what a vertical. This line must be what? Vertical. Everyone try to see the scenario. Huh? This is what a vertical line. And what will be the weight, guys? What will be the weight here? What they have given? Mass is 100 kg. So weight will become how much? So this weight will become what, guys? 100 g. Weight will become how much, guys? 100 g. Try to see the scenario here. Okay. Now, the next point is what here? And it stands on a rough inclined plane. Okay, I'm going to read the question. Okay. Now here mass A and B. A is connected to mass B over a frictionless pulley. Okay. Two bodies A and B. I'm going to read the question from start. Two bodies A and B. This is what body A. This is what A. Okay. A is connected to B. Now, here there is a what, guys? A cord is there. Here there is what? A smooth pulley is here. And there is what, guys? A mass B. This is what a mass B. A is connected to B. Okay, guys, 3. This is what a smooth pulley. And whenever we have a smooth pulley, what does it mean, guys? Whenever we have a smooth pulley, what is the meaning of word smooth pulley? Means what? Tension on both sides will be what, guys? Same. So tension is here, same. Tension is here what? Same. So here if it is, we assume F. So here also we can assume F, guys. Okay, guys, are you getting my point? Try to see the scenario here. Okay, now the next point is what? The mass A is 100 kg. We have written its weight at the geometric center. We have also shown that one. And it stands on a rough inclined plane. This is what our rough inclined plane. Mass B is what we are going to do. We are going to increase what? We are going to gradually increase this mass B. What we are going to do? We are going to gradually increase mass B until mass A overturn. What we are going to do? We are going to gradually increase until mass A what? Mass A overturns. Okay, try to see the scenario. The mass B. Now, try to see the point here. Okay, we are increasing the mass B gradually until what? Mass A overturn. You got the meaning of overturn. What is the meaning of overturn, guys? See, what is the meaning of overturn? First of all, I am going to explain meaning of overturn. What is the meaning of overturn? See, this is what our block. If overturning happen means what? This will become like this. This is meaning of overturning. Overturning will happen at this point. Okay, you got the meaning of overturning. So overturning means what? See, suppose this is a block. This mobile phone, this cell phone is a block. What will happen about overturning? It will become like this, and overturning will become at this point. Okay, so object will means this block mass A will become overturned. So what we have to do? We are going to increase the mass of B gradually until the overturn of mass A happens. Okay, guys, are you getting my point? Try to see the scenario here. Okay, so what we are doing in the question? Mass B is gradually increased until the what, guys? Mass A overturns. Until the what, guys? Mass A overturns. Okay, now try to see the A point. What they are asking us in the A point. Try to see the A point. What they are asking us in the A point. The mass of B. What they are asking us in the A part. What we have to find out? We have to find out what? Mass of B. Mass of B that will just cause the overturn. What will they have asking us? We have to find out mass of B. This mass of B. In A part, what is our target? Our target is what? We have to find out mass of B to just cause the overturn. What is our target? We have to find out the mass of B to just cause the overturn. And what is the meaning of overturn? A will become like this. Okay, try to overturn like this. Okay, and if the overturn happen, at which point overturn will happen? Overturn will happen at this point. Try to see the scenario. Overturn will happen at this point. Overturn will happen what, guys? At this point. Okay, try to see the scenario. If overturn will happen at this point. See the point here. Okay, so overturn will happen at this point. Okay, see, okay, guys, are you getting my point? Try to see the scenario here. Okay, Now the next point is here what? What is next point? Us with here. Now to find out this one, what we need? We need a what? F. See, here it will be, what will be the, suppose mass of B is what? We assume mass of B is what? mb. So here weight will be what? mb into g. Mass of B into g. Okay. Now there will be what, guys, here? Normal reaction. Normal reaction will be what, guys? Normal to the plane. See the scenario. Here there will be what? Normal reaction. Then there will be what here? Friction force will be here. There will be what, guys? Friction force will be here. See the scenario here. So this will be what? Our friction force. And this friction force will be what? We will say Fr. Okay. See the point here. And if the overturning happen, overturning will happen at this point. And we will say this point as a O. What we will say? This point as a what? O. Okay. See the point here. Now here, see, as usual, guys, story is what here? What we are going to do? Whenever we have an inclined plane, what we need to take? Here we are going to use equilibrium equation method, and we need a x and y direction for this 100 kg mass for mass A. So we need a x and y direction, and we already discussed how to take x and y direction. X is along the plane in the direction of motion. So x here, this is the x direction, and this is what, guys? Y direction. Now here Rn directly in y direction, Fr directly in x direction, F directly in x direction. But what about 100g? Neither in x nor in y. So for that purpose we are going to take the components. And how we are going to take the component, guys? In such type of scenario, how we are going to take the component? We are going to form a rectangle. And how to form a rectangle? See the scenario here. How we are going to form a rectangle? We are going to form a rectangle like this. So one component of this 100g. See the point here. Okay. So in this way we are going to form a rectangle. So one component of 100g is like this. See. This will be what? One component of 100g. This will be what? One component of 100g. And this will be what? Another component of 100g. Okay. Now here we have an angle, what, guys? Angle of plane with respect to horizontal is how much? 20 degree. Angle of plane with respect to horizontal is what? 20 degree. So here this angle will be what? What will be this angle? This angle will be what? 20 degree. This angle will be what, guys? 20 degree. This angle will be what? 20 degree. If this angle is 20 degree, then what will happen? If this angle is what, guys? 20 degree, then what will happen? If this angle is 20 degree, then what will happen? See, if this angle is 20 degrees, so this component will become what? 100g, what, guys? 100g? 100g what? Cos 20. And this component will become what? 100g. What will this component become? 100g. 20. Okay. Very good. Okay. And here I will show this one. This distance is how much, guys? 0.5 meter. Okay. See, there are a lot of things, lot of complications in this drawing. So please be careful in everything. Okay. So this is what our scenario in this drawing. Okay. So now what if we need a mass of B, what we are going to do? We are going to first of all find out F, and by using F, what we going to find out? We are going to find out mass of B. Okay. Before going further, everyone, please draw this drawing properly, and then we will see our A part. Okay. So please everyone draw this drawing properly. Now guys, what is our target in A part? What we have to find out? We have to find out mass of B. What is our target in A part? We have to find out mass of B. Okay, this B. Okay. And how to find out mass of B? How to find out mass of B? This is what our target. We have to find out mass of B for just overturning of block A. We have to find out what mass of B for just overturning of block. Okay. When overturning will happen, guys, see, just 1 minute, guys. Suppose I am pushing my cheek, means by hand. I am doing what? I am doing what? See, see my face. I am pushing my cheeks, my face like this. What will happen? whatever the force my hand will apply, same force will be applied by the cheek on my hands. Means there is water reaction force. Okay, there is water reaction force will be on my hand. Okay, if I am just touching my cheek, then what will happen? If I am just touching my cheek, what will happen? Is there any force here? No force will be act. Okay, means if suppose I am just touching my cheeks, what will happen, guys? There will be no reaction force will be in my hand. Okay, just touch scenario. Now the same scenario will be here also happen. If for the just overturning, guys, see the point here. For just overturning, what will happen? If there is a just overturning, what will happen? Whatever the reaction force on this side will shift to the O point. For just overturning, whatever the reaction force will not be here because there is a just touching scenario. So reaction means whatever the force will come at point O. And so here this reaction force will become what, guys? This reaction force will become what? Means just touching. Reaction force will enact. Whenever there is a force, then there will be opposite reaction will be there. But if there is a just touching scenario, if I am just touching my face, then is there any force by face my on hand? There will be no force. Okay, the same scenario will be here also. See the point here, guys. See the point here. So for just overturning, guys, for just overturning scenario, what will happen? For just overturning scenario, what will happen? This Rn will become what, guys? Rn will be what? 0. Okay, this Rn will become 0. But there will be still Rn, then this Rn is shifted at point O. Okay, for just overturning is going to shift at this Rn will become 0 and it will become shift to what, guys? It will complete Rn will going to come at point O. Okay, now try to see the scenario here. Any doubt in this Rn equal to 0? Why it is 0? Because it is a just touches. And if there is just touching scenario, on this point, if there is a just touching scenario, what will happen? This Rn means there is no reaction force by the ground at this point. Whatever the reaction force, this reaction force will come at to the point. Okay, so here I am saying reaction force or normal reaction is shifted to what I can say? Normal reaction is what? Yes, shifted to O. I will say shifted to point O. Okay, guys, any doubt in this discussion? And why shifted? Because it is going to lift. So this Rn will become 0 and our entire force will go into what point, guys? It is normal reaction is shifted to point O. Okay. So now at point O there will be two forces. One there will be friction force and another one will be what, guys? Normal reaction. Okay, Rn. Okay, guys, any doubt in this discussion? Why this Rn is 0? This Rn is 0 and our normal reaction is shifted at point O. Okay, guys, are you getting my point? Anyone have any doubt in this discussion? Okay, good. Now try to see the point here next. Now what we are going to do? We are going to take a moment about point O. What we are going to do? Here I have not shown one distance here. What will be this distance, guys? What will be this distance, everyone? What is this distance? They have given in the question, everyone. Please take the drawings. Okay, so please everyone add this distance in this drawing, this 1 meter. Everyone add this 1 meter distance here. Okay, now what I am going to do? I am going to take a moment about point O. What I am going to do? I am going to take a moment about point O. Summation of moment about point O equal to 0. Okay, about point O. Why equal to 0? Because our system is in what, guys? Our system is in what? Equilibrium. Summation of moment about point O equal to 0, taking clockwise as a positive. Now why? See, now here we have replaced 100g by what is component? One component is 100g cos 20, another component 100g sin 20. Okay, now first of all we will start with force F. Okay, what is the effect of F about point O? What is the effect of F about point O, guys? What is the effect of clockwise or anti-clockwise? Clockwise, okay. Okay, and what will be the perpendicular distance, guys, for one? What will be the perpendicular distance, guys? What will be the perpendicular distance? 1 meter. Okay, this distance is what? Perpendicular distance is what, guys? 1 meter. Okay, try to see the scenario here, everyone. Okay. Now the next point is what? Okay. So here we replace 100G by its two component. So we are going to take its two component. And why we replace component? Because for taking component, distance is very simple. Okay. Now what is the effect of 100G cos 20 first of all? Clockwise or anti-clockwise? What is the effect of 100G cos 20 clockwise? Clockwise or anti-clockwise? Anti-clockwise means minus. Okay. So minus 100G cos 20. Okay. What will be the perpendicular moment? Perpendicular distance will be what, guys? How much, guys? 0.6 or 0.5? Option number A. 0.5 or option number B, 0.6. Guys, check it once again. 0.6 or 0.5 or 0.6. 0.5. Okay, guys, as you are saying, see, guys, sometimes most of the people get confused and they will say 0.6. No, guys, see the force. 100G cos 20. And what will be the perpendicular distance? This distance will be the perpendicular distance. Guys? So always, so that's why I'm always focusing on try to draw the bigger drawings. So there will be no such type of confusion. Sometimes some people may say 0.6 and it will be wrong answer. Okay, guys. So our correct answer for this one is 0.5. Very good. Okay, so you are good with your moments, So the distance is what? Perpendicular distance. 0.5. Okay. Now the next force is what, guys? 100G sin 20. Clockwise or anti-clockwise? What is the effect of 100G sin 20? Clockwise or anti-clockwise, guys? Anti-clockwise? Okay, see, counterclockwise. See, anti-clockwise or counterclockwise, both are the same thing. Okay, so counterclockwise, guys. See here. So minus 100G what, guys? Sin 20. Perpendicular distance will be what, guys? What will be the perpendicular distance? See the scenario. Again, guys, two option. Again, two option here. Option number A, 0.5 meter. Option number B, 0.6 meter. Guys, what is the meaning of perpendicular distance? This is what our force, 100G. So perpendicular distance means what, guys? This will be perpendicular distance. So what will be this distance, guys? This one is the perpendicular distance, here. So 0.5 or 0.6. What will be the perpendicular distance, guys? 0.6. Okay, very good. Anyone have any doubt in this 0.6? Anyone have any doubt in this 0.6 meter? How we got the 0.6? See, I am explaining you once again. See, this is what our force, everyone. This is what our force, 100G sin 20. So, what is meant by perpendicular distance? Shortest distance, This will be perpendicular distance, guys. And this perpendicular distance is what? This 6 meter. Okay, guys, are you getting my point? So, try to see the scenario here. And that will be equal to 0. Now, you will may say, why you have not considered Rn? Because see, guys, this Rn is shifted. This Rn will become 0. And entire normal reaction will come at this point O. If everything and friction force is also passing through the point O. And if the friction force is passing through the point O, what will be the perpendicular distance there? Perpendicular distance for Rn and Fr will become what, guys? 0. Means everything, this Rn is 0 already. So no, this is not will come into. And what about Fr? It is directly passing through the point O. So what will be the perpendicular distance, guys? Perpendicular distance is 0. So Fr will not come into our picture because perpendicular distance for that one is what? 0. Why? Because they are passing through the point O. This is point O, guys. Try to see the scenario. So here, what will be the F? F will be equal to what, guys? Try to see the point here. F will be equal to what? I am going to shift that one. 100. I am going to take out G common. 100 into cos 20 into 0.5. And why I am always going to take a G common, guys? Because at the end, we are going to find out F in terms of G. And at the end, with the final answer, G will get cancelled out. F will get in terms of G. We are going to compare this to 1. And G will get cancelled and we will get mass of B directly. Okay, guys, are you getting my point? Try to see the scenario here. Now, the next point is what, guys? So I'm going to take a G common. 100 cos 20.5 plus 100 sin 20. Check it out guys everyone. 0.6 and G will be in common. Okay, any doubt in this discussion? Check it guys, huh? If there any mistake, please let me know. Check it once again. 100G cos 20, distance 0.5, okay. 100G sin 20, distance 0.6, okay. Components I have taken correctly. Check it once again everyone. So what will be the value of F? We will get value of F in terms of what guys? What we will get? We will get in terms of what? G. Okay, how much guys? 67.5058 in terms of G. So we got F in terms of what guys? G. Try to see the scenario here. Okay, so we got F in terms of what guys? G. Now what we are going to consider? We are going to consider for mass B. See the scenario here. So this scenario is for mass A. Okay, this scenario is for what guys? For mass A. Huh? See, this scenario is for mass A. Okay, now for mass B, see the point here. What is there guys? Okay, so system is what? Equilibrium means what? Summation of forces. There is only one direction, so no need to take x and y direction here. No confusion. So what will be the scenario guys here? Summation of forces. We will take directly summation of forces equal to what? 0. No need to take x and y direction here because there is only one direction. So no confusion is there. So what will be the scenario? We will take F positive minus mb into G equal to what guys? 0. What is the value of F we calculated? 67.5058. G is equal to mass of B into G. So GG will, what will happen with GG guys? GG will get what? Cancel out. GG will get what? Cancel out. And what will be the mass of B guys? What will be the mass of B? 67.508 kilogram. Okay, in kg. Okay, so this is what our answer of B. Okay, see. So what you have to do? Please write down all these things. First of all, how the flow will become? First of all, write down these things, and after that, these things. Okay, please everyone write down the things properly. Now guys, what is our target in B part? What we have to find out? See the B part. Huh? The minimum value of coefficient of friction between the plane, between this plane and body A. This is what our body A. To prevent the sliding when A is just about to overturn. Okay, so we have to find out what guys? We have to find out coefficient of friction. We have to find out mu. What is our target? In B part, we have to find out mu. Okay. So how to find out mu? Guys, try to see the scenario. Very, very simple scenario. Not that much difficult. Okay. So what they are asking us guys here in this question? Okay, in B part, they are asking us what guys? They are asking us mu, coefficient of friction. What they are asking us? In B part, coefficient of friction. So what we are going to do for this one? We will going to start with what guys? See the scenario. We will start with what? Summation of forces in y direction equal to 0. See the scenario. What are the forces here y direction for mass B? Sorry, mass A. What are the forces? First of all, Rn, and then 100G cos 20. So what will be the scenario? Rn minus what? 100G. What guys? Cos 20 equal to what guys? 0. See the point here. So Rn will be equal to what? 100 into cos 20 into G. So what we will get guys? 100 into cos 20. What will be the value of 100 into cos 20? 100 into cos 20. What will be the value of 100 cos 20, guys? 93 point. What we got? 97. Or we can take 9693G. So we got Rn in terms of what? G. See the point. Then Fr will be equal to what, guys? Friction force will be equal to mu times Rn. Rn means what? Normal reaction. Mu means coefficient of friction. So friction force Fr will be equal to what? Mu is we don't know. Mu into what? 93.9693 times G. Okay, guys, see this point here. Everyone. Any doubt in this discussion? Okay, guys, any doubt till now? Then what we are going to do? We are going to take a summation of forces in what? X direction. Summation of forces in what, guys? X direction. What are the forces here in X direction? What are the forces here in X direction? What will be the forces? F minus what, guys? F minus, here see 100G sin 20, negative. So minus 100G sin 20. Then what will be the scenario? Minus Fr and equal to what, guys? 0. Anything? Any more force? Guys, check it once again. Check it. F, this 100G sin 20 and Fr. Okay, these are the only three forces in X direction. This one is positive. This one is negative. Again, this one is negative. Okay. So, guys, see. What is the value of F? Value of F is what? 67.5058G minus 100G sin 20. See the point. Fr is how much, guys? Mu into how much? 93 point minus mu into 93.9693 into G is equal to 0. So G is what here? Common in every term. G is here what, guys? Common in every term. Okay. So can we cancel? Means we can take out G common. And if you take out G common and it will go this side 0 by G, what will happen? 0. So we can take out G directly common. Cancel. So here we can cancel G. And guys, see the scenario here, next point. Any doubt in this cancellation of G, guys? See, I am going to take this thing simple. If you are, sometimes some people may get confused with cancellation of G. Okay. So here what I am going to do? 67.5058 G minus 100. Okay. 1 minute, guys. So G common 67.5058 minus 100 into sin 20 minus mu into what? 93.9639 equal to what, guys? 0. So we have taken out common G, and if you take G from this side, 0 divided by G, what will become, guys? 0. So this G will get cancelled out. Okay. So now what will become finally? 6.5058 minus 100 into sin 20. See the point here mathematically. And we are going to shift this side. So this will become mu into what? 93.9639. So what will be the mu, guys? Okay. Okay. Very good. 1 minute. 67.5058 minus 100 into sin 20 divided by what, guys? Divided by what? 93.9639. Okay. Everyone, please do the calculation and tell me the value of mu. Everyone. 0.35. Everyone. What will be the unit of mu? Guys, what will be the unit of mu? What will be the unit of mu, guys? No unit, because it is a coefficient. Sometimes we may write meter, kilometer, like this, kilogram. Don't write anything, guys. Mu has no unit. So this will be our answer of B part. Okay. Please everyone write down all these things. Check it out, everyone. Is it answer matching for everyone? Okay. Okay, good. Please everyone write down all these things. Sir, we got in terms of, here, see what is your doubt? Why I have not written? What is your doubt? Why I have not written units here? Because we got in terms of G, na? Means we got it, basically it is in Newton, na? But we got in terms of G. So that's why we have not written here unit. It is not a grammar. Here we got in terms of G. So that's why here we have not written unit. So no need to write unit here. Means if you are getting exact value, absolute value means something, 10 something like that, okay, 100 means not exact like that, means you are getting some fixed value. Here we have not written any fixed value. We got in terms of G. So that's why I have not written here unit. Okay, but if you want to still write down unit, you can stay in Newton. If you still want to write down, you can say in Newton. FR is in also Newton. You can write for your reference, but in exam, no need to write down. Okay, so you got it. Why I have not written here unit? Because here we got in terms of G. We have not got any exact value. We got it in terms of G, so that's why here I have not written any unit.